In this tutorial, we'll explore the workflow for both support engineers and service desk agents within the system. We'll begin by logging in as an admin. As an admin, the support engineer section displays a list of all technicians responsible for handling tickets. The admin can view which technician is assigned to which ticket, along with the current ticket status. Similarly, in the Service Desk Agent section, the admin can see a list of all controllers. The admin can also filter tickets based on the controller and track their status. Next, we'll log in as a standard user. If the standard user is a technician, they will access the Support Engineer tab and respond to the tickets assigned to them. If the standard user is instead a controller, they will access the Service Desk Agent tab and manage the tickets assigned to them. Users who are neither technicians nor controllers will not see any of these sections. Both admin and standard users also have the flexibility to customize the table view format according to their preference. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.